After watching several videos on how to upload your product successfully on Selar but no result, at the end of this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you are going to upload your product successfully like pro on Selar and start cashing out. Listen, make sure you watch the very end. Before I forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you are coming new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell for my next post so that you won't miss it, because I am exposing every secret about how to make money online in this particular channel. Now let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you need to do now is to go to your browser, either Chrome browser, any browser you're using. Let me just use Chrome. I'm using Chrome. Then once you use Chrome, then you're going to type selar.co. Selar.co. You're going to see it here, then you search for it. It will bring you to this interface. What you're going to do is you're going to see login here if you don't have account before. If you have account, you're going to see what they say. If you have account, you're going to see login. If you don't see login, you're going to see click on this particular dashboard, dashboard app here. This line here, let me just show you what I mean. You can see it here, this three line here. Then once you click on it, if you don't have account, definitely you're going to see sign up here. But I have account, then you can do what? Click on what? Login. And so if you don't have account, just sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to meet this interface. Do you understand? So once you meet this interface, what you're going to do is to do what? Click on this same three dash up there. Let me just show you what I mean. So click on it again. Once you click on it, it will take you to this particular spot. Then you're going to see what the right products. We are here now to do what? To know how to add our product very effectively. Do you understand? So click on what? Add products, not all products, add products. Do you understand? So once you click on add products, you're going to see different things here. You're going to see different things, whether services or subscription or anything. Those people where they use app, where they advertise, say subscribe, or those people where they do something like that or download. Do you understand? That is where they use services or subscription or bundle, where they say data online. That is it. But we are here to do what? Use digital product as an example. Then we click digital product. Then you call like this. Then you click on what? Next. Alright, so once it reaches to this point, what you're going to do, first one, they say drag and drop your product image. You understand? Before now, you have your product image, and a flyer or picture, anything at all that you have saved on your phone gallery. Then you can go to your phone gallery and do what? Pick it up. Understand? So it's loading right now. So let's assume that this is what we want to use here. Then you click on it. It's going to load to that particular page. Do you understand? So I'm having storage. You can see it here. So the picture will appear here. Then here you put the name of your product. Let's say how to make money online. Do you understand? It's an example. Anything that your product is answering, how to make money online, you can just do it. You can just name it. Okay, how to make money online. Alright, stand. So now the next thing now is to put how much you want to sell it in naira. Let's assume say I want to sell it in naira, 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Example I make this currency $95 dollar, $10. I'm just giving an answer. That is how you are going to name all of them. Do you understand? So this place says track. Let me show you what I mean. This place says track. This one now. So it simply means that you kind of giving people what is it called? Giving people urgency. Like this is a promo price. Do you understand? So you're going to, if you click on it now, you're going to see that another inbox. You can see it. Another box just appear. Let me just click on it. You can see it here. What does this mean? You put 1,000 here for instance. Now, if you put 5,000 for this side, 5,000 here for this side. So when someone click on your link, they are going to see that they cancel that 5,000 naira. They are going to see that they cancel that 5,000 naira, and that 1,000 naira is what is on it. Do you understand? And that is how it is. And they'll be like, oh, this is a discount, this is a discount, this is ending. Do you understand? So that is how we are going to name all of them. Okay, let's just proceed right now. Now Now after the price, now the next thing now is this page. They say insert text. You can name, describe about your product there, describe about your product, what the product is all about, what they are going to get. This is where you're going to put it. You understand? So once you put it here, this is inside. You can put anything at all. This is you're going to get that. Do you understand? So after inputting all that, the next thing now need to do was put your category. Let me say how to make money. I'm seeing the product how to make money. I can be like, let me just say, I can be like how to make money. I will be like wealth and finance. Do you understand? Subcategory, I can be like business finance or something like that. Anything, just make sure you follow your work process. Do you understand? So that's just it for now. Okay. So then the next. So if you're going to mark this particular one, and you're going to mark this last one, this always say automatically redirected the buyer to the external link. Do you understand? So assuming that your product is hosted on what seller on Telegram. Do you understand? Do you hosted on Telegram, or you want them to come to your WhatsApp DM before giving them access to where the program is, or the program is on the what is it called, on YouTube, anywhere at all. Do you understand? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do what? Mark this particular one. Mark this one now. So once you mark this one now, see it here. You can see it now. Then you can put what? You can see this place that says direct link. You can see this place that says direct link. Then you can do what? Automatically put the link there. Do you understand? Assuming the product is on Telegram, just what you're going to do, copy that Telegram group or channel, paste it here. Do you understand? If you want them to come to your WhatsApp direct, put your one link here. Do you understand? They will come to your WhatsApp. Then you can give them access to it. If you're on YouTube, you can put the what the YouTube link there. I hope you understand what I mean right now. So that is exactly how you can host your product on Seller. Okay, I hope this helps. Understand? So I want you to try this out. So once you do what? Once you do all these things now, you're going to do what? Create product. Once you create product, that is just it. Do you understand? Once you create the product, that is just it all. It's going to appear like this. Do you understand? So that is how your product is going to appear. Then this is your what? Product link. Assuming you want to copy it to what? To someone. Understand? You want to copy it to anybody. You just copy your link there and give to the person. As simple as that. Do you understand? So if you want to copy your product, you can either copy it here, or you click here. You click on this new tab here. Click here. You can see it. Let me just show you what you can see what I say right now. Then you click on it like this. You click on it. You can copy your product link here. Very simple. And with this, there is nothing hidden about all these things. So I hope you find this helpful. I know you find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be exposing all the step-by-step strategies on how to make money online for free. In my next post, I will be breaking down some features you need to set up, some settings you need to do for your seller account. Alright, so let's just end this for now. What you need to do is forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. Thanks you, and see you in my next video.